Chaos unfolded at the Vereniging Civic Centre on Wednesday morning as fed-up residents from Duncanville dumped uncollected refuse at the entrance of the building. The same venue hosting Mfuleni local municipality's two-day service delivery and revenue enhancement summit. This symbolic protest followed months of frustration over the municipality's failure to remove household waste. Some residents say their rubbish has not been collected for up to 3 months.
Ek dink die inwoners van Duncanville is redelik vir die situasie waarin ons is.
What happening here in Mitchells Plain is not right. What I said earlier, I also grew up in a hockey like that. Okay? I was 2 years old when we started in a hockey without a father, only a mother and 5 children. We didn't go stand in a road and throw stones because we were living in a hockey. There was also no lights. We had to burn candles on a oil stove. I can tell you, you know what was our heater? I used to put it on a burner, a brick. And once I cool off, then I wrap it in a piece of cloth and we put it in a bed.
So
that's how I grew up. But what these people are doing is wrong.
Wrong, yeah.
And another thing, the biggest problem here is the ANC, not the DA. Because they invited the people to Cape Town. Come from Eastern Cape, you will get houses.
Yes.
That was told because from the mouth it comes from the black people themselves. What they have told them those years.
We're not racist.
We're not racist.
Not racist yet.
I drive through Kalisa, 5 o'clock in the morning, whole day. Side B, I know that whole area. I do charity in Kalisa to the mosques and all there. Good people. This man here that they burn out, give charity to them, potatoes and onions.
Yes.
If they don't have food, he feed those people.
They are.
Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So we have been seeing a phenomenon the last, I would say, 18 months in South Africa. Now, in South Africa we are used to protest, we are used to tires being burned and roads being closed, but what we have seen the last year and a half are really normal South Africans, good honest South Africans, going and protesting and making a statement about service delivery and making a statement about what makes them extremely unhappy in South Africa. So the first video was refuge and the basic services not provided by the ANC government, and then the second video is obviously about what we call semigration. So these are workers that are drawn to bigger cities for work and for a better life, and being promised that if they go to these cities they will be housed and they will find work. But in reality this actually doesn't work, because we do have a massive unemployment rate in South Africa, as you know. So it is very good. I decided to compile these videos because normal South Africans like you and me are actually standing up, and they are making their voice heard, and they are putting immense pressure, a lot of pressure on municipalities to actually deliver services, because that's what you pay for. That's what rates and taxes are for. That is what income taxes are for. This is South African Prepper. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.